Hello everyone, it's Jasmine here, and today I have a new video for you guys. And this one is an exciting one because I am opening my FabFitFun starter box. So I am so excited to open this. I wanted to try FabFitFun for so long. And also I actually got my hair like redone, so now it has this like cool little ombre going on. So it's like brown at the top and then like super blonde at the bottom, which I thought was fun, so I could like change my hair color up a bit. And also, if my voice sounds a little bit weird or whatever, I am sick. Like, I will be cutting out all of my coughing throughout this whole video. Don't worry. Let's just get started with this unboxing. So I literally have not opened it. Stop saying literally. I got this about maybe like 20 minutes ago. Like, it just showed up in the mail this morning, and then I just picked it up because if I wait any longer, like, I just can't wait. So here we go. I have not opened it. Oh, it has a giant sticker. I just cut the sticker, so let's take a look. I have no idea what to expect. Okay. Ooh, okay. FabFitFun. So first you have this little thing in here. This is just something to say like, oh, like join our blah blah blah, because this is a starter box. But actually, I accidentally bought like the next box, like the summer box, by accident, so you guys will be seeing a video about that. But like, I also don't like how they did that because it was very confusing, and it basically like tricked me into getting a box. But because like I wanted to see like after this box if it was gonna be worth it, but like I already bought a box. It's cool. I was gonna like contact them and be like, oh, I didn't want the box, I was very confused. But then I saw like some of the items in it and I was like, you know what, it looks very nice, so I'm gonna try one out. So this box was completely free. My friend sent me a link, and so I only had to pay shipping for this. It was $10 Canadian, $8 US. So now, ooh, okay, so this is a note from the people, and it has like what's in this box on the back. So I don't want to spoil it for me. So let's open it. Okay, so this is the first item. So this is a Luscious Lip Stain. This is in the color Dark Lust. Oh! What? Okay, so I'm not sure how this works. Luscious Lip Stain. Apply the Luscious Stain first, spreading it evenly onto your lips. Allow the stain to dry for a few minutes. Once dry, apply the included the gloss to add shine. Oh, okay, so it's a lip stain and a lip gloss. Okay, this is the gloss and this is the stain. Okay, let's see this color. Oh, okay, guys, literally, I like never wear lip colors, but if I do, I wear like brownie colors and that don't have any pink undertones, and this is perfectly brownie, so I definitely like will try this out. Oh, and then it's just a little, oh, that's really hard. It's kind of like a brush applicator, but it's so like stiff, probably just from being in there. I have no idea. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I thought it was gonna be one of those stains where like you put the stain on and then you have to like lock it in, and I was like, I don't want it to stay for that long, so like let me just try this on actually. What? It smells like chocolate too. Okay, this is what it looks like on. It definitely is a stain. Like, it felt like the first like swipe, it looked pretty sheer, and then I just like put another one on top of it. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then later on I'm gonna put this gloss on. Oh wow, special size limited edition. This is the AHAVA Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. That is a huge hand cream, guys. What the heck? Wow. Okay, so this is, yeah, this is just a regular hand cream. Let's smell it. Nice. It's sealed. Okay. It doesn't smell like anything special. It just smells, it smells like a light kind of fresh scent, like kind of one of those like when you put a dry sheet in the dryer. That's what it kind of smells like, but very like subtle, so it's nothing too like in your face. Now, next item here. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got a purse. Like, what the heck? This is Summer and Rose. So this is from the Summer and Rose brand. You get purses? Wow. Okay, I think I did know you got like handbags and different things, but like, wow, they put one in the starter box? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has a nice long strap. And then inside, it's just all open. There's no like extra pockets, but wow, this is so nice. I'll definitely use this because I wanted like a tiny bag because like I couldn't find my other purse recently, so I'll definitely like try this one out. This is so nice, and it's such like a neutral color that has this like kind of pattern on it. Okay, there's people outside, so I'm just gonna pause so I don't like crazy talking to myself at the window. Okay, so now for the final item, I think. Yes, this is the final item. What is this? Oh wow, okay, so this is the this is an oil that has argan and hemp oil therapy. Okay, it's a hair styling elixir. Oh, okay, so let's see how this smells. It smells like spices almost. That's kind of odd. Okay, so while my hair is in braids right now, I can still like, you can still like put oil in the braids to make them look shinier, or I can put it in my scalp if it's dry or anything. So I will definitely try this out. Very great size. Okay, so now let's see this. Oh gosh. Okay, so now let's see this card. Okay, so the summer. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the purse, the Summer and Rose crossbody, so this bag here was worth $62, y'all. $62. What? So now for the the hand cream. This hand cream, y'all, $33. What? $33 for this hand cream. Pardon? The lip gloss and lip stain duo, this is $28. Oh my goodness. And then finally for the hair oil, this is $22.99. This is crazy. Okay, let me just calculate how much this is all together. Okay, so I got this box for free. All I had to pay for was shipping, which was like $10, a little bit more than $10. And this box cost $145.99. What? I cannot believe this. Okay, like that is absolutely insane. So I definitely see how these boxes are worth it. Like price wise, because you get so much more. Like you pay so much less than what you get. So that's why I see. I'm actually gonna put this gloss on real quick to see what it. Okay, this brush is so stiff, but I still don't even think it's dry. Like it's coming off on the brush, which is, but I guess this gloss is only made for this. So, but still, like what if I just want to wear gloss? Like I don't want it to have stuff on it. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a gloss. Okay, so now my overall thoughts on this box. I definitely think like it was worth it as a starter box. Like I didn't know they'd give me like, they give me like 4 full-size products, and it's a different range of stuff. It's not just like makeup or like just skincare or whatever. They give me skincare, they give me hair, they give me lips, and they give me a bag. Like I think that's pretty good for what I paid, which is like 10 something. So yeah, I definitely think you guys should check this out. I did get the summer box, so I will make a video on that and a review on that. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more of me. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see y'all soon. And bye.